fuel miter saw, it just handled everything we threw at it. It was comparable to any corded saw we've been using.
No matter what we were cutting, there was plenty of power there. I was actually surprised how much power there was.
Using the fuel miter saw, I don't notice any difference in power from any other corded miter saw that I've used in the past.
It does have a lot of power, cuts through a lot of big solid material. I didn't have any problems with it bogging down.
The tallest I cut is 5 1/4 inch base, and the fuel has got plenty of clearance. I've cut 3 2x4s at one time. I've cut 2x8s with it. I've had no problem with speed or power.
It cuts well. It's easy to manipulate the saw into the angles and the bevels and degrees that you need. And it's very user-friendly that way.
The 9.0 battery pack is a lot more power coming out of it. This pack is just perfect for this saw.
The 9.0 battery is very good with that saw and high demand tools because it has that power and it holds that power. I've used it all day long, never had to charge the battery.
It's actually a luxury, the 18 volt series. Everything is compatible, the batteries interchange. Lightweight, convenient, easily carried. There's less setup time. You're not dragging cords around on job sites. The fuel miter saw is definitely a replacement for a corded saw.
Definitely heavy duty. It has plenty of power, it's built well, and built in the Milwaukee tradition of strength in their tools.